Hi guys, welcome to week 3 of remote learning. You're doing a great job. This is hard and unprecedented, and keep up the good work. I hope each day gets easier and each week gets easier, and stay home and keep up the good work. So just wanted to show you what week 3 is going to look like here. We only have 4 days this week, so let's celebrate that. Hope you had a great spring break while this loads. Okay, so a couple things. Of course, we've got our agenda up here. The Beats Bingo is a warm up each day this week. And on Tuesday, we've got a video, and then we have a Nearpod. Let me just show you what Beats Bingo looks like here. All right, trying to have some fun. There is a game board, bingo game board. You do not have to get 5 in a row. Just do one from each column. Try to do 5 altogether. If you try something and fail miserably, that's okay. If you want to do multiple things in one column, that's okay too. Hug your quarantine. I really hope to see lots of people hugging their moms, because all I want to do is hug my mom right now, and I can't because she's not here. Okay, so then on Tuesday there is a video to watch, and then this lesson is going to launch you into a Nearpod code. This code specifically is for my Core 3 class. Shout out to the homeroom. When you enter it, please do last name, comma, first name. So this defaulted to this right here. So I am going to put in last name, comma, first name. I'll join the session. And then this is on solving multi-step equations. You already watched the video. You can see I was testing this. So you will record whatever you think your answer is here, or show all your work, and then you have to press submit down here. It's really important that you press submit because that is your attendance assignment this week. I'm sorry, for Tuesday. So then after you do that on Tuesday, Monday, you'll have another posting for bingo. There is another video, and then there's more practice problems. You can see here that there are practice answers as well. Just a note about the Nearpod too, there are also answers in there as well. We know that the process is more important than the answer. So those answers are there for you to try it yourself first, and then to check the work on the answers. And if you have questions, to reach out and let us know. So it's for you to check yourself first before getting to the level, before we keep going and you need help and you don't know what to do. So those answers are there for you to monitor yourself. And this is a great skill to learn as you're getting ready to go to high school. All right, so then we'll get into Thursday, April 16th. We've got our agenda still, Beats Bingo, another video featuring Miss Olendersky this time. Then there's some practice quizzes, and then the multi-step equation reflection is your attendance assignment on Thursday. Forgot to mention this practice. It's in there as a quiz, but it's just your attendance assignment. All right, and then looking at Friday, again, your agenda and LEQ, Beats Bingo for our launch, another video, and then an assignment here. So that is what week 3 of remote learning in math is looking like. Also, please know, please look at the schedule for when we'll be meeting for our live classes. And also we posted a reminder about office hours, and we're looking forward to week 3.